Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today my team our presentation about jejak rempah. Ya, what is jejak rempah? It is all about next slide ya. Jejak rempah, explore, learn, and savor spices. And ID team is C242 PIs 531. Capstone project product. Okay, next.
Team, the first one is Noviana Rizky Anissa Putri from Machine Learning, Fadila Aliyah Syafa Falevi from Machine Learning, Kanza Adelia Kurnia Syafitri from Machine Learning, Idelia Fatih Hasnul from Cloud Computing, Konita Salisa Faza from Cloud Computing, and the last one is Aldi Putra Hamasya from Mobile Development.
Okay, this is our agenda is meet the team, background, reason, exciting result, implementation machine learning, implementation computing, implementation mobile development, result, documentation and demo apps, and then target market, competitor analysis.
Okay, our background is taken from an article made by Moving Central Java, wherein Southeast Asia has 275 types of spices. With the more spice product from Indonesia, we were only 31% of Indonesian themselves know spices correctly.
With the contrast in the types of spices in Indonesia and the number of people who know the types of spices, we decided to find a solution to overcome this problem. Jejak Rempah is a solution to find out the lack of knowledge about spices in Indonesia, especially among the younger generation. With the various features provided, the application is hoped to help preserve cultural heritage and encourage the sustainable use of Indonesia's rich spice resources.
Okay, and this section is provide Jejak Rempah. Jejak Rempah is an application designed to provide more knowledge to the younger generation about spices. Jejak Rempah contributes to the development of spice research in Indonesia, considering that Indonesia is one of the rich countries in spices.
Okay, and the team acknowledged the presence of existing application focused on spices or cultural heritage. However, we identify key gaps: a lack of focus on Indonesian spices, limited interactivity, disconnect features, and insufficient accessibility for younger users.
Okay, for the implementation machine learning, we use tools TensorFlow, Keras, NumPy, and Matplotlib. We use IDE Visual Studio Code, and we use Python for language programming.
And then for the machine learning flow model, slide outlines the process behind Jejak Rempah spice recognition feature, starting with dataset preparation and augmentation to enhance generalization. A convolutional neural network is then built, trained, and validated to ensure robust performance. And then the results are visualized to assess accuracy and iterate improvements, showcasing a structured approach to developing a reliable solution.
We use a dataset from Kaggle, which consists of 31 labels, 30 of which are spice type labels, and 1 is a non-spice labels. After several stages of modeling, we obtain an accuracy of 91% and validation accuracy of 97%.
Okay, well, before that, I will explain what the Google Cloud is. So the Google Cloud is a compute engine, a compute service platform that provides a variety of products and solutions for business development and organization. Next. Here, we also use Flash, Express.js, Postman, Visual Code, Google Cloud Platform. Next. Okay, here the cloud computing architecture. For get function, we use Express.js, and post function, we use Flash. Next.
And then this is for implementation code computing for get. For get itself, we use dataset from dataset and then display data. We use Express.js. Next. And then for endpoint response for species prediction for POS, we use model H5 for from machine learning.
Information about mobile development, yes, using Kotlin and tools in Android Studio. And the next, result about Jejak Rempah. This is a splash screen and about login Jejak Rempah, and this is an icon about application Jejak Rempah. Okay, before user doesn't have account, maybe user can register, and user have account, the user can login. Okay, the feature it's NuSpace AI. NuSpace AI is user can ask NuSpace AI and respond NuSpace AI. Okay, solution, user can scan and result about scanning. And implementation, this all about application. Okay, documentation. Okay, documentation is have a cloud computing, mobile development, or machine learning. Okay, this is all a demo application. In here, I have account. Maybe I want to go to login. Doesn't have register. Okay, write the email and password. Okay, this is page register, page login. Okay, password. This is all about application. Have home view. In home view, have detail view. User can add to favorite and add to link. Link is go to Shopee. Maybe user can buy rempah. Okay, go back and add favorite. Okay, good. And the space AI, user can ask question. Okay, loading about creating content. And AI give a response about rempah. Okay, in the scan, user can upload from gallery or scan image. Okay, detection, it's perfect. Red onion. Okay, user can edit photo profile from gallery. It's done. And user can log out. Okay, it's a demo application. And the next, it's scan about spice live. Okay, this scan a red onion. And result detection is red onion. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, next.
Okay, for the target market slide, highlight Jejak Rempah focus on Gen Z and millennials, such as age range 18 to 30, who are curious, cultural aware, and embrace modern lifestyle. And the app caters to those following healthy living and Indonesian heritage, culinary professional, health conscious individual, as well as content creators like food vloggers and reviewers active on platform like TikTok.
Other, the ability to provide information about spice benefit, and then we recognize spice through image, and then we educate user about traditional spice uses and provide our search recipe. Next.
Okay, in this slide, I will present the project milestone that have been planned for the next 6 months. In the first and second month, we focus on research and development, the main idea of the project. In the third month, after the foundation of the system is complete, we will conduct an alpha test. In the fourth month, the application will enter the Google Play open test stage. And in the fifth month, we will build the MVP, or also known as minimum viable product, and we will take care of legal aspects of the product to make it more optimized.
Okay, that's all about presentation. Thank you for attention and closing. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.